As you can see, I'm back in my house here in Brazil, and I brought a friend from the Netherlands, Ines, and we are gonna travel here in Brazil. So excited! So we can't hardly wait, but first of all, we have a couple of days here in Curitiba before we travel to Manaus and to the Amazonian rainforest. Yay, we're in the park in Curitiba! Woohoo! Ines is here! Party time! We just went to the museum and now we're having lunch. Wow! Right now we are at Campina in Sao Paulo and we are going to Manaus. It was very early this morning, but we are so excited to go to Amazonia. So we are boarding now. Exciting! We have a long layover here in Belém and we decided to have some lunch and explore the city. Going local! In the park right now in Belém, and we just went to the market. It was crazy busy, and now we are here in some sort of botanical garden. It's very beautiful. Just having a rest and look at the view. And all of a sudden it started to rain. In the rainforest right now, and finally it is raining because it's been so dry that there have been so many forest fires here in the Amazonias. So we are very happy that it's raining. She got one! Look at that! Hello, Piranha! This is a white piranha?
Yeah.
He is flopping around. Oh, hello! The third one already. Nice! We're on the river and we are going to see if we can find some jacaré or caiman. Here are the bubbles, so it means that the bigger one has made sure that the smaller one has died. Has a piranha in his mouth. Red piranha. Caiman. growing some pumpkins and some corn and also some rice.
Choose to plant has to be something who you can harvest that in 6 months, because after that the water come and cover everything, kill everything, and only the next year he waits for plant again.
Here are the roots of the elephant plant, the elephant ear plant, and there are multiple uses for them. So they go up, 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 and you can use them to tie things, you can make cigarettes from them, but they are really, really strong. He's showing us how strong it is. Look at that! We just got the tour. There's the house. And the farmer, he has 8 children, 6 girls and 2 boys, and a lot of dogs. Very big caiman. There it is, a sloth. Dos tucanos. The tree is 450 years old. Can you imagine? That's crazy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it a lot, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message in the comments down below. And of course, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It's easy, it's quick, and it really does help. See you next time. Ciao!